Hello everyone, my name is Anuja Anil Zanjay. Today's date is 28 January 2022. Today's topic is operators in Java. Operators are used in Java to perform operations in different variables. There are many operators in Java like arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operator, then bitwise operator, unary operator, assignment operator, shift operator. These are the operators in Java. Now we see the one by one. First is the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator it is used for the simple arithmetic operation to perform on variables on variables. Then in arithmetic operation there are multiplication, addition, subtraction, division and module. These are the arithmetic operators. In addition we have to add two values and assign to the variable. Then second is then subtraction. In subtraction one value is subtracted by another value. Then multiplication, the multiplication of two values. Then division, one divided by another. And in modulo then returns the division remainder to the variable. These are the arithmetic operation. Then second is a unary operator. In unary operator to perform increment or decrement the values of variables. In unary operator there are post, increment and decrement. These are two types. In increment, increment the values by 1 and returns to the variable. These increment, there are two increments operator. First is post increment and second is a pre-increment. In post increment, first value is used and then increment by 1, and pre-increment then in this we use the first value, then first increment the value and then use these values. Then next is a decrement operator. In decrement operator there are two types, post decrement and pre decrement. In post decrement we have to use this value and then decrement the value, and pre decrement in this we decrement the value and then use these values. Then next is assignment operator. In assignment operator use the assign a value to any variable. In this we use the assignment operator. Then some example is, suppose we have to use the integer variable to assign a variable. Integer is a data type of the variable, is equal to 5. This 5 is values assigned to the a variable, that type is a integer. Then next is a relational operator. Then in this we use this relational operator to check for a relation like equality, greater than or less than the values. There are many types of relational operator like equal, not equal to, greater than, less than, or greater than equal to, or less than equal to. In this we is equal to, we check the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Then not equal to, then less than equal to. In less than equal to we have to use first variable is less than or equal to the second variable. These are the use of the relational operators. Then next is a logical operator. There are logical operator to perform a logical and or logical or operators. In this logical and is returns the when the both conditions are true, then the statement is executed. Then next is a logical or. In this at least one condition is true, then returns the true value. Then next is a bitwise operator. The bitwise operator is used to perform manipulation or individual bits by bits, bits of numbers. In this we use the AND bitwise or bitwise, XOR bitwise, and complement bitwise. Then next is a shift operator. In this we have to shift the bit by bits bits, and then we have two operators in this shift operator, is left shift and the right shift. In left shift we have to shift a left values bit number of times, and then assign and fill the zeros values in shifted. Then next is the right shift operator. In this we have to shift the bit by bit right to the right, and then fill the zero on these values. These are the operators in Java.